Okay, that's enough. Inhale muna sa mouth. Kung mouth or nose. Mag-exhale. Pero ang inhale sa bibig lang. That's what we call bubbling or bubbles. Na inhale. Brrr. 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 Pag tumingala ka naman, bababa yung katawan mo. Head up, body down. Head down, body up. Yan. Good, see? Hindi ka magkikik ng ganyan. Okay, magkikik ka from here.
Okay ka na.
Yun. Yan. You hold the board like this, ganyan, no? Okay? Before you go up, make sure naka-exhale ka ng maganda. Brrrr. In that way, nava-vacuum kasi yung lungs mo. Kaya pag angat mo, medyo nag-automatic yung lungs mo to grasp that air. That's more than halfway of this length. Kala ko tatapusin mo na eh. We'll add the arms naman na, yung pull, yung catch and pull. And then, doon na magbi-build up yon. You'll build everything up by doing all the drills na gagawin pa natin sa mga next session.